Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a golf cart go faster. First, check your tire pressure. Underinflated tires can significantly reduce speed. Next, ensure your batteries are fully charged and in good condition, as weak batteries limit power. Many electric carts have a speed controller that can be adjusted for a modest increase. For a more substantial boost, consider upgrading to a higher speed motor, which can provide a noticeable difference in top speed. To truly enhance your golf cart's speed, focus on power system upgrades. Moving from a 36-volt to a 48-volt battery system, for example, provides a significant power increase. A high-performance controller manages this extra power more efficiently, allowing for greater acceleration and top speed. Also, replace your stock battery cables with heavier gauge wiring to reduce resistance and ensure maximum power delivery. Don't forget a new solenoid, capable of handling the increased amperage. Beyond electrical upgrades, mechanical adjustments can also boost speed. Installing a high-speed gear set in the differential is a popular method, effectively changing the gear ratio for a higher top speed. Larger diameter tires also contribute to a higher effective gear ratio, but be mindful of clearance. Always ensure your braking system is robust enough to handle the increased speeds for safety. Regular lubrication of all moving parts minimizes friction, allowing your cart to run more freely. For the most significant speed gains, a performance motor specifically designed for speed is often the ultimate upgrade. If you opt for larger tires, a lift kit might be necessary to prevent rubbing and ensure proper suspension travel. Remember, increasing speed also increases the importance of safety. Ensure your cart's suspension and steering can handle the changes. For complex modifications, especially those involving electrical systems, consulting a professional golf cart technician is always a wise decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.